Hey guys, what's up? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a splash screen in our Tkinter application. So let's start the code. First we have to of course import Tkinter SDK or TDK. Okay, here I am going to create a function for loading our main application. Okay, let's set the title main application. And geometry, the size of our main application, I think 800 by 600, and let's also set the x and y coordinates. Right now I am also going to add a label component here, and I will not add many unnecessary widgets in this application, otherwise our video will be lengthy. So the main purpose is to clear the concept. So let me add a label main window. Welcome to the main application. And the font size will be 16, so you can easily watch it. This is the main window that I'm creating here, and when you work you can add as many as you want widgets here. Right now here I'm going to create another function just to decorate our splash screen. I will add some random text there, like loading libraries, modules, like that. This is not necessary, I'm just showing you the idea. Here I'm going to make a list of libraries that I'm going to add. Actually this is just a demonstration, there is no library being added here. Facebook YouTube, let's include Microsoft as well. Microsoft, let's add YouTube. Okay, YouTube added. Let's add Google as well. Google will be happy. Okay, if index less than libs, we will show loading this library one by one. Okay, loading modules, then loading additional libraries, then loading Facebook, like that. It will be looking good. Loading label.config text, that's formatted. Okay, loading libs index, and here splash dot after 500 milliseconds and load libs. The function will be again called with incremented index. Okay, this is splash. I'm going to create a splash window, so this is the name of that variable. Okay, and here also I have to use splash dot destroy to destroy our splash screen. So we are done with our two functions. Now let's create a splash screen. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe guys, and don't forget to like and share my videos. Splash.title, splash screen, splash.geometry, 800, 600, let's make it 650, and also coordinates. Okay, one more thing, splash dot override redirect true. This will remove the top bar from the splash screen. Splash frame, let's add a frame here, and then we will add a banner image. Splash frame dot back, expand to and fill both. Okay, now let's add a banner to show on our splash screen. I created a sample banner already, so I'm going to add it here. Banner image tk dot, we will use photo image file splash.png. okay, banner label tk dot label splash frame, and we will render the image in this banner label. So image, banner image, and banner label dot back. Right, except print error. Okay, now here loading label, I'm going to add a loading label which will use to show these additional libraries, loading this library, loading this library, like that. So loading label ttk dot label splash frame, because we are using a splash screen, and splash screen has this splash frame, so we are going to add this on this frame. Text loading, please wait. Font Arial and 16. Loading, sorry, what I'm typing. Loading label dot pack pad y 10. Right now here I will call the function load libs to demonstrate the loading libraries. Okay, so load libs, and here splash dot after after 3 seconds we will load our main app. Main app is the function which will create our main app. Okay, this is the main app window. And splash dot main loop. Sorry for mistyping, guys. Now let's run it. You can see this. Let me run it again so you can see this again. You see this? Now whatever you want you can do here. This is our main application window. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and it will be useful for you. See you in next video. Goodbye.